Hi, in this video I will show you how to get the money heist filter on the Instagram. So money heist season 5 is live now, so many people are searching for this filter. So how you can basically get it, simply you have to open your Instagram and you have to go to the stories from the left top, tap on it. Okay, once you will do it, now you have to go to the browser from here, tap on it, and once you will do it, now on the right top you will see a search bar. Simply you have to search for the money heist Jesus. You have to write exactly like this and then search for it. Sorry, Jesus. And once you will search for this, you will see one filter here. Simply you have to tap on it and you will see two options. Try it to shoot a video on it, or simply download it for future use. So in this way you can get the money heist filter on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.